Hello everyone and welcome back to a spooky Lush video. We are going to do the Lush Kitchen subscription box unboxing and it's the spooky season version. Now I'll just let you know I did get the September one, but I got two customs notifications that I didn't actually receive because they came in the post and I hadn't checked the post in a while and I just completely missed them, so it didn't actually get to me until like the 25th of September, even though it would have got to me on like the 10th of September. So it's not Lush's fault, it was completely my fault, and by then I hadn't got time to film and edit and upload a whole Lush video, so I just decided to open it myself. I loved it. I got my candle, it was beautiful, I love it. I haven't burned it yet, I have it over there, but I made sure to stay on top of it for my spooky season one because I'm so excited about this one. Oh my god. So I have the box here. It's already open, but I haven't even looked in it, but I can see something poking out. I don't know what it is yet. So this is our box, obviously. All your packing peanuts, which are disposable. You've got your QR codes to scan to check out what's actually in the box. But we're just going to dive straight in and I can just see whatever this thing is here. What is it? What is it? It's a box. Let me open it. By the way, before I get into actually opening anything or unboxing anything, my makeup is a look that is filmed for this channel, so you can go check that out. If you hit subscribe down below, you'll see that video coming up very soon. And also my Instagram is linked down below, so you can see all the up close pictures of the look that I do and any looks that I post on my YouTube. They're usually on my Instagram. So I don't know what this is. What is it? Oh, it's a perfume. I've never had a Lush perfume. I never gravitate towards them. It's Tramp Perfume and it's in a little roller ball. The box is cute. Obviously, it's a storage box then for your little rollerball perfumes. Oh no, it's not rollerball. It's a little spray. Let's spray. I haven't got any perfume on me today. Oh, spicy. Kind of masculine as well. But very much a Lush smell. It definitely smells. It smells like a Lush shop, but a little bit more spicy. Oh, I really like that. This one has got patchouli oil. That's why it's spicy. It's got Oak Moss Absolute and a few other bits that I can't pronounce and I don't know what they are. So definitely smell the patchouli. It's really nice. That's beautiful. And that little box is so cute. Look at it. It's all like, oh, I could fit what, four. I should maybe start investing in some Lush perfumes. But I have perfumes that are that size that I could fit in there. Okay, so my box is over here. I'm just going to dive in. What can I feel? Something solid. Feels like a bubble bar. Oh, what are you? Oh, you're so cute. Look at his little face. Oh. This smells different. This kind of smells like grass with orange. Oh, I like it. Oh, he's cute. I'm going to find out what he is at the end. I'm just going to go and dive through everything and get my reaction, my initial reaction, and then I'll read through what everything is. Next up, oh, Ectoplasm shower cream. I think I had the... No, I did have this before. I definitely did. I had an Ectoplasm shower cream, yeah. This is so like citrusy and all that kind of stuff. It's got tangerine and grapefruit juice. Are here to return you to the land of the living. I love it. I love it so much. Yeah, this is really nice. This is a shower cream as well. These are really moisturizing. Oh, and look at that color. These are thick as well, like thick. But yeah, this is, I've had this before, so that's really nice. And I'm glad it's in a small bottle since I have had it before. I don't necessarily need a whole brand new one. Yes, I voted for this one, I'm pretty sure, as far as I can remember. Lord of Miseral body lotion in a small tub, which I don't mind because I don't get through body lotion that quickly. But Lord of Miseral, if you don't know what Lord of Miseral is, you should know what Lord of Miseral is. It's a patchouli black pepper scent with vanilla, so it's kind of sweet, but it's the perfect Halloween smell. Like, not, it's an autumnal smell, but it's a Halloween smell. Look at the color. Because they reformulated, or they changed the design of the one this year for Lord of Miseral. The scent is the same, just not the actual look of it. And it used to be this color. Oh, it smells sweeter. But I kind of like it. I'd probably prefer this, like a sweeter version of Lord of Mischief on my body all over. Oh, I love that. This says, get down and earthy with mischievous and invigorating black peppercorn and patchouli. I'm so happy that one won. Oh, yes, I vote for this one as well. Yay, this is the Enchanter as far as I can remember. I've never had this one before, but this really smelled like Calacas, but more orange than lime, because Calacas is like a lime sweets kind of smell. It's definitely limey, but there's like an afternote of tangerine or something like that in it. Oh, I'm excited. Then our last product. Yes, I am voted for this too. Oh my god, I won this month. I completely won. Oh, what's that on it? That's the bath bomb. This is the Wicked Bath Oil. Oh, that's kind of earthy floral. I've never had this before. They used to do this years ago. It's melting on my fingers though, so I'm going to put it down, but Earthy floral, that's what I'm going with. Okay, so I've scanned my QR code and I'm going onto my phone to find out what we have here, what's going on with everything. This is Trick or Tweet is this guy. You could have got a black or a green, and I don't really mind either. I'm kind of glad I got green, so it makes a really pretty bath. So this is called the Tweet Bubble Bar, and this was the Community Twist. Community Pick? Community Twist, I think. I don't know. So next up then is the Community Pick, the Ectoplasm Shower Cream, which obviously I've had before. And this is when your spirits need lifting, lather these luminous grapefruit and tangerine suds all over. Step out of the shower refreshed, cleansed, and smelling divine. It is such a beautiful smell though, and I really, really like it. And I just think it's such a fun colour. I still have the very, very frightening small bottle from last year. That is also a very fruity smell, but in a different kind of way. That's more like Jelly Babies kind of smell, where this is a bit more tangerine-y. So yeah, they kind of have a similar colour though, which I really like. And then the glorious Community Pick, Lord of Mischief. Obviously everyone was going to pick this one. This is make mischief with this classic blend of patchouli, black pepper and vanilla, distinctively spicy and devilishly sweet to give your skin a hydrating treat. And I'm so excited for this one. Oh my god, I'm probably the most excited about this one. And then we have the Enchanter. This was also a Community Pick. This is unleash a feast for the senses with scents of zesty lime and neroli. Rich hued bath art expands across the water, reviving even the weariest of souls. I'm so excited for this one. I think this is going to be so, so pretty, so, so fun. It's going to make a great bath. I'm going to have one of those baths where it's like so hot. I'm going to just stay in it for so long because I want to be in it as long as possible. And then Something Wicked. Spicy ginger and sensual jasmine. Yeah, see, spicy, earthy kind of smell. So spicy ginger and sensual jasmine seduce you into a purple tinted bath. Softening cocoa butter and almond oil ensure you emerge renewed. I'll probably get about 4 baths out of this as well, which is really nice. Same with the Tweet. I'll probably get about 4 baths out of that as well. Tweet was a community twist, which I don't really know what that means. It's Tweet is ready for Halloween. Which costume are you wearing in your box? Trick or Tweet? So I've got Tweet, and then obviously the black one I think is the Trick. I'm pretty sure, but I've got this one. Doesn't actually say what's in it though. And then lastly is the little box with the Tramp perfume. Just one spritz will take you to the depths of the forest, shrouded in mist and leaves and a patchouli and oak moss blend, worth going to the ends of the earth for. I can't read, oh my god. That is really cool. I've never had a Lush perfume, so I'm very excited about that. I'm going to be so spicy going into work. It's going to be so fun. Oh my god, I just went through, because this is kind of like a story kind of thing, like you flick through like Instagram stories, and I just flicked onto the next one. It says sneak peek, more perfumes to collect in the next 4 kitchen boxes. So we're going to get more to fill the box. Oh my god, I'm going to have 5. Oh my god, that's going to be so good. This was such a fun box, by the way. So the one before this was really nice as well, but I actually got some really nice things. I got like the pineapple body lotion, I think it was, or was it the face and body lotion, face and body wash? I can't remember. There was just a lot of really nice bits in the last one. But this is like spooky and it's Halloweeny and it's earthy. And this, we're getting 4 more perfumes to fill this little box with. I'm so excited. This is such a cute little box. And these are so handy because I'm going to be going away soon. And I could bring this little box with me with all my little perfumes in it. Oh, Lush, you make me happy. It just makes me happy. I really like this one. I'm so happy. My 1, 2, 3 that I picked anyway were in the box. I don't know, I actually don't think I picked Ectoplasm because I've already had it, so I was like, oh, I'll try something different, and I can't actually remember, but I will pop up at the beginning or now, I'm not sure, a list of the things that were on the menu, and I'll put a little star beside whichever ones I actually picked, just so you can see what I was more into. And I'm pretty sure everything bar this that I picked was in the box. I can't actually remember what I picked. I'll have to go through myself and see, but you'll see it already on the screen now. I'm happy with this box. This was a fun box. I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited about the next one. The next one is a little bit Christmassy, and I'm expecting the December one to be super Christmassy. There was some wintry kind of bits in the November voting, so I'm excited for those. So that is my Lush Kitchen October subscription spooky season box. I'm so happy with it. So if you did like this video, give me a big thumbs up down below. It's the quickest, simplest and easiest way to give me a little bit of support, get me around to more people, and also let me know you like the video, and I'll continue to do more of these. Plus I have to know now this. I need to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below to see many more videos coming up, many more Lush videos coming up, and also the winter season, plus the spooky season. We have to finish that off too, and the winter season. And if you're more into Lush videos on my channel as well, I do have more Lush videos planned for next year as well, so hit subscribe down below to see those. As I said in the beginning, my Instagram is linked down below, plus my TikTok where I do some fun, spooky things and fun, weird, funny, stupid things on there as well, and the pictures of this look will be posted on my Instagram sometime soon, plus more spooky season bits that I like to post. And then let me know down in the comments down below, what did you pick for this month? What did you pick off the menu? What would you have preferred to get? Are you happy with this selection? I'm very happy. So we got our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products, and then the perfumes, the collectible perfumes. So I'm really excited about collecting these. My favorite product, maybe, and then maybe these two, possibly. I'm so happy about the Wicked though. I really wanted to try this because it says Wicked on it, plus it's purple, plus it's spooky themed, and it smells glorious. So I'm very excited about that as well. I'm happy I have another Ectoplasm, don't get me wrong, it's just I wanted to try something different. And then he's really cute, a little tweet, but I love the smell. It kind of nearly leans on the bright side. That's why I kind of like it, I think. So yeah, I'm so happy with my little box, and I hope you are too. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.